sa Bucon, Manila sa SM Mega Mall. So first time kong a-attend sa Bucon, Manila. And sobrang excited na ako!
Ulit na naman. Makakalimutin ka eh. Go.
Ikaw naman masay naman. Sana? Ulit lang po. Balik mo masay.
Dito lang po ang kanilang po. Pagpasok nyo, kanan kayo, dire-diretso,
yes, at saka maligat tayo ng products at saka maligat naman. Nakita niyo ang pakpak ni ate, pagkita niyo umalis sa kayo. I-visit na yung chocolate po sa
we are really excited to meet you.
We are really excited to meet you. Thank you so much for the purpose of Pilipinas. Sa lahat po talaga ng brands na nagbibigay sa akin ng products mo. Guys, oh my gosh, thank you so much. So the style, guys. Kung remember yung last time, kasi namin ko lang nagawin yung yes, okay, dalawa.
Nag-expand rin ng mall. Nag-expand rin siya ng exhibition. So, magiging mo na siya. Ang isang na-experience, medyo dumadaman sa yung pag-exert mo ng tapos. Secondly, video yan. Papapasa siya ng konti. Uulang na siya na ganyan. Sumunod na siya. Nag-experience niya kasi siya kung di ba
Red, yellow, blue, white, and black. And we are back on track. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Bula Carl Alcazar, and I am your host for today. And this is
cute at napakaganda ng ating booth. At nari nga ako, ayan, syempre ako'y may kodigo. Halimbawa ng kodigo. Ayan, ang aking pong newest drink in the Philippines, ang project, meron mong 3 days. Uho, libre na libre. Ano ko, kaya sa mga nauuho. Diba, dapat meron tayo po sa loob ng...
ay, kailangan pa sa Rosa. Ay, yung flowers.
Hindi mo wala na doon sa
Because flowers.
Thank you naman po.
Alas mo mga celebrity ng pabulaklak.
Video. Ano gagawin mo ba?
Ay, hindi ba ang dancer ka, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, this is brought to you by Project Noah. Best give it up for Queen Night.
Ay, si Queen Ay pala. Si Queen Ay. Avocado?
Thank you so much, Mr. Dave Hackett and the owner of Cycle. Thank you so much once again to our national sponsor, Nova.
Tamis ng strawberry?
You may visit their booth to also harap natin. You can have a free consultation.
Pwede po
Mamaya, kung sumakatan dyan mo.
konti lang na eh.
Picture. Go.
Our next man is Rewind. Ladies and gentlemen, I am asking everyone to Filipino Bernardo! Everyone that last year, she joined our current event. Siya pinili tayo sa mga
Hindi pa natigil eh. Viva Morena.
Hello, ang Lilac indeed ah. Nice to meet you. Taga-saan ka ba? Ano ko kanta ako? Ano ko kanta sa malaki? Tsaka nag-makeup alis pa kami. Wala din naman yung tulad. Nag-retouch ka na lang doon sa loob na. Wala ako ipitig mo yan. Hindi ka karas para stop ka. Sige, see ya.
Katrina and Patricia Manalo, also known as Manalo Twins! Hi! At syempre,
Ay, ni Bella Amore. Mapupunta po yan sa Psoriasis Philippines. Yan, sa lahat.
our Alcazarina is the host of Bucon Manila 2024! Palakpakan naman everyone! We are taking Filipino beauty
Okay.
to the next level. At ito na ang totoong pasabog ngayong araw. Ito na!
We'll give you some songs and later on, mabahatag kami ng mga makakasayaw namin dito sa stage. Oo. At meron tayong prize sa pinakamagaling magsayaw. Yeah! Alright, so pagkakas special prizes. Pero mas masaya yan, kung ang palakpakan nyo may kasamang sigawan, let me hear it guys, come on! Yeah! Masaya! Masaya!
Day. Asian Journal, Balikbayan Magazine, Hey Manila, and JCB Photography. Special thanks to Fine Depot for our stage design and photo booth.
Tapos malakas ang sigaw. Alright, on cue, camera rolling. 3, 2, 1, action!
Thank you, Bucon Manila 2024!
Ladies and gentlemen, our content creators of Bucon Manila! Yes! Bula! Ayun, thank you so much to our...
Hello!
If you can stop the and thank you also to our clients,
Ito ba yung order? Parang minaw. Parang natural.
Okay pa. 1, 2, 3. Kaway.
Taking Filipino beauty to the next level. They match the owner of the cell phone.
Sige, sige. Happy ka? Finally. Yes. Hi guys! Hi mga kapati! Like and subscribe!
Viewers so beautiful, Mayamars. Before anything else, we'd like to say thank you very much for supporting, of course, Oh Dear Brand and for attending at Bucon Manila 2024. Anything that you would like to promote to our...
Guys, check out over here. There's one that's everyday perfume. Yung people, if you're gonna like make the papaganan yung flowers na ito.
Yes, and this time...
Okay, and of course, let's welcome the CEO of Odir, Miss Dad. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of Oh Dear, Miss Dad!
Pwede po magpapicture.
Sure naman, babe. Tama ba yung ate?